How do you write a good research paper results section? Imagine you have just finished your experiment or survey and now you need to share what you found. The results section is where you show your evidence clearly and honestly. It's like laying out all the pieces of a puzzle so others can see what you discovered. This part of your research paper should answer the question, "What did you find?" without adding your opinions or explanations. Start by focusing only on the data that relates directly to your research questions. For example, if you studied how students perform on math tests after studying with flashcards, only include the test scores and related data. Avoid adding raw data that doesn't help answer your questions. Write in the past tense because you are reporting what you already found. Keep your sentences simple and to the point. Organize your results so they make sense. Usually, it's best to start with the most general findings and then move to more specific details. For example, you might first mention the overall average scores, then break down the scores by different groups or conditions. This makes it easier for readers to follow your discoveries. Using visuals like tables, charts, or graphs can help show your data clearly. For example, a bar graph can compare test scores of different groups, making it easier to see differences at a glance. Be sure to include a brief explanation of each visual. Describe what the data shows in sentences, like, "The graph shows that students who used flashcards scored higher than those who did not." Remember, this section is not the place to interpret or explain why your results happened. Save your ideas about what the results mean for the discussion part of your paper. Only include data that is relevant to your study. If you have extra data that isn't needed, put it in an appendix or leave it out. Think of the results section as a clear presentation of your evidence. Use visuals to make your findings easier to understand. Write in a straightforward way, sticking to what you actually found during your research. This helps your readers see your work honestly and understand your conclusions better.